Hi friends, today I will show you how to create user profiles on Google Chrome. User profiles on Google Chrome allow you to have different profiles for different bookmarks, history, and everything else on the same Google account. For example, you can see that I have set up this profile to use social media. I have YouTube, WhatsApp, Discord, and everything else here. Now, if I want to create a profile for work-related purposes, I will click on the profile button on the top right. Here you can see that I can customize this profile however I like, but to create a new profile, I will click the Add New Profile button at the bottom. Click on Continue without an account. Set up what you want the profile to look like. This will change the background color and everything else. We will just use this profile here, and you can also name it. Now we will add some bookmarks, and here you can see that I have a work-related profile set up with LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr, and everything else. And it will have different history and different background and different apps and everything compared to my social media profile, which has YouTube, Discord, and everything else. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.